Looking for the best refrigerator magnets? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 refrigerator magnets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. TabEnter Decorative Refrigerator Magnets. Each set comes with 12 magnets with its own unique design. Features a variety of fun themes such as arrows, balloons, pandas, and more. An excellent accent to your fridge or other magnetic surfaces. From cacti to music notes, this collection offers a series of fun styles that you can pick between. Some reports of the magnets falling off the decoration. At number 2. SmarTake Refrigerator Magnets. Comprehensive package features 45 individual magnets that users can use on a variety of surfaces. Simple to take on and off, ensuring no scratches are left behind. Can be placed on top of each other for easy storage. Users can apply this sizable batch of fridge magnets to pictures, grocery lists, and more. Can be difficult to pull apart, especially with the large quantity. At number 1. Mymazn Colorful Fridge Magnets. Full selection includes 24 different magnets from a wide array of colors, from dark red to light blue. Glass composition offers a clean and reliable look. Small, but powerful, can hold multiple objects at once. Each one of these magnets offers a unique color and reliable magnetism that users can enjoy. Smaller than users expected, so make sure to check size. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.